Question number 24. What is YTM? Yield to maturity. Now, let us understand this. In the world of valuation, you have two kinds of valuation. Of course, there are many kinds of valuation, but from the perspective of financial assets and the securities, you have two kinds of assets that you value. Number one, you do the valuation of companies, and number two, you do the valuation of securities. So when you do the valuation of companies, or let's say for example, you are trying to find you are evaluating a new project, and for evaluating a new project, what you will do, you will calculate something which is known as IRR. You will calculate something which is not an IRR. What is IRR? IRR is the rate at which, if the future cash flows are discounted, NPV will be zero. That is IRR. So let's say for example, you are evaluating a project, and that project is giving you an IRR of 15%. Project is giving you an IRR of 15%. What you will do? You will compare that IRR of 15% of the project with your own cost of capital, or with your own expected rate of return. Let's say your expected rate of return is 12%, and IRR that you are getting from the project is 15%. You will simply take a decision, go ahead with the project. So this is what you will do in case of project evaluation. You will calculate IRR. Now, how do you deal with the investment in securities, investment in fixed income securities? Remember, you as a business, you not only make investment in fixed assets or in manufacturing assets, but you also make investment in fixed income securities. So how do you take decision about investing in a fixed income securities? So when you have to take a decision of investment in fixed income securities, what you do, you calculate something which is known as YTM. What is YTM? YTM is yield to maturity. What does it mean? It means if you were to hold this security until the time of its maturity, if you hold this security until the time its maturity, YTM is the rate at which, if you discount the future cash flows from this fixed income security, your net present value or your present value of all the future cash flows on this fixed income security will be equal to your investment that you are making in that fixed income security. So that is your YTM, yield to maturity. So I'm sure you can see the similarity between the IRR and the YTM. So what is IRR for evaluation of a project? YTM is for evaluation of a fixed income security. That means what? That means YTM is same as IRR. As a matter of fact, if you use the Excel sheet and you want to calculate the YTM or you want to calculate IRR, you will be pleasantly surprised that the formula for calculating YTM and the formula for calculating the IRR is same. That means, number one, IRR is for evaluating fixed investment, or IRR is for evaluating investment in assets or in manufacturing facilities or in project. YTM is for evaluating investment in fixed income securities. So let's say you are a portfolio managed, you are a mutual fund, right? You are a mutual fund, and you are a mutual fund, and as a mutual fund, what you're doing, and you are a debt mutual fund, and as a debt mutual fund, what you're doing, you are investing your funds into debt securities. So what you will do, you will calculate YTM of a security in which you plan to make investment, and what you will do, you will calculate YTM on this security, and what you will do, you will compare that YTM with your cost of capital. As a mutual fund, you have raised money, so that money has a cost. So what you will do, you will find out the YTM on this security, compare that YTM, yield to maturity rate, with the cost of capital, and if you find that the cost of capital is less than the YTM, then you will make investment in this fixed income security. Otherwise, you will not make investment in this fixed income securities. So that, my friends, is YTM. And remember, so what is YTM? YTM is same as IRR. The only difference is IRR you will calculate in case when you are making investment in a project or in manufacturing facilities. YTM you will calculate when you are making investment and when you are planning to make investment in fixed income securities. That is your YTM and IRR.